Alrighty, Chauncy, here's your Big Block Chevrolet. Give your descriptions coming in. It's got a set of our As Cast heads. There's your custom fabricated valve covers. That's your manifold on the carburetor. Rear sump oil pan. Custom ground hydraulic roller. Go in there and make a run. See what it does. Stay tuned. Alright, 3,400, 577 foot-pound torque. Peak torque, sorry about that, that's kind of our first hit there. 564.35. Peak torque 568 in flat. Peak horsepower 579, rated at 550, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple other things. When you receive your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. Got your engine build specs, dyno video, things of that nature. The engine will be this tag. It'll also have a engine number there. If you need anything from us, the easiest way for us to look you up, flip it over, QR code. That'll take you to some other tech stuff. So have a great day.